Good day, everyone. This is Jack Huang from RosterElf. I'm excited to help you organize your rosters. Let's jump right in. How to order your roster by name. Open your roster in your current view by staff, site, or position. This helps you see only the details you need at a glance. Select Order by Name. RosterElf will automatically arrange everything alphabetically. Quickly review your sorted list. You can now locate any staff, site, or position with ease. How to order your roster by cost. Open your roster in your current view, by staff, site, or position. This keeps your focus on the relevant cost details. Select Order by Cost. RosterElf will display the highest to lowest cost in one go. Glance over your new cost order. It's a handy way to stay on budget. How to order your roster by shift length. Open your roster in your current view, by staff, site, or position. This sets the foundation for an easy shift length comparison. Select Order by Shift Length. RosterElf will arrange shifts from the longest to the shortest. Check the shift order. You can now balance workloads and scheduling more effectively. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, our friendly RosterElf support team is always here to help. Happy rostering!